Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup when I'm on vacation. So this look, I just do this look to go out. I'm on vacation. I'm doing my makeup usually the same way I do it in my house. Just gotta take the brush and brush everything out. I forgot my spray. I don't have this way to brush the brush to spray the brush with it. So I'm not on a rush. When I'm in a rush, I'll use the same foundation brush and yeah, to blend everything. Even the concealer. And I'm gonna take a big brush to brush this out. I'm using this glow. That's my first time using it. I'll see if I really wanna to have a contour, or I'm just gonna use this bronzer because I wanna use only one thing because I'm really gonna wash. Ooh. I can use that, I guess. I really like the warm look it gives here. That's how I've been doing my makeup, like using this mirror because I have a big mirror there. I'm gonna show you guys. Take the other half. The bathroom mirror. This is the big mirror I'm using mostly because the other one, like, it's kind of hard for me to stand in using it, but I'm using that one. Look at this.
You okay?
So this is how I do my face when I'm on vacation. Look at this.
Blue.
It's her fault.
Yes.
Oh, pretty on thick.
We miss you, Natalie. Thank you.
I need some Sprite. I think I ordered some Sprite.
Okay. Who's your server?